Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to manage third-party application permissions on Instagram. So let's open Instagram, and you want to go to your profile at the bottom. Now in the top right you want to tap this menu icon, and now you want to scroll down to section your app and media, and here you want to tap on app website permissions. So now you want to go to apps and websites. Now you want to make sure that you're in the section active at the top to see all connected third-party tools, and then you want to simply tap remove button next to any application that you no longer use or recognize. Okay, and that's it. Managing those third-party application permissions allows you to control which external applications and websites have access to your Instagram profile. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.